evening once again. It is really a great honor for us to invite our today chief guest, Vidushi Srimati Manasi Sudhir ma'am, daughter of Professor Madhurya Dhara Upadhyay and Srimati Sardha Upadhyay. Manasi ma'am had her first lesson in Bharatnatyam from Srimati Pratibha L. Samaga Udupi and follow it up with her further training from Vidwan Kodavar Sudhir Rao and Vidushi Srimati Lakshmi Gururaj. Initially, she exhibited her artistic talent in Nitya Rupakas, that is, dramatic presentation in the form of dance, produced by Sri Udyavara Madhava Acharya, and later on started giving her own performance and has become a part of the team Nitya Niketana Kodavar. She has already given more than 700 performances in different parts of the country. She also has performed in many prestigious national and international programs and also performed in Deepa Darshana and in Bhimsen Joshi Memorial Concert organized by Bangalore Doordarshan in Raj Bhavan. Manasi ma'am, apart from this, also actively involved in theatre, music, and literature. She acted in a dance drama named Chitra, directed by Dr. Shripad Bhatt, which was selected for 19th BRM, organized by National School of Drama, Delhi. She acted in many Kannada movies, and also one of her Tulu movie won the Best Regional Movie Award, and she has acted the lead role in the film Reservation, which won the National Award, and also for the Best Feature Film in Kannada and BIFF International Award. She has directed and choreographed many Nitya Rupakas and semi-classical dances. Recently, she was invited to Kuwait by Kuwait Kannada Kota to choreograph dances for them. Now, she, along with her husband, Vidwan Sudhir Rao Kodavar, teaches Bharatnatyam to hundreds of students in their institution, Nitya Niketana Kodavar. She has given dance demonstration in many schools for the benefit of interested students. Ma'am has always thrilled the audience and viewers by her natural and spontaneous acting. We all can see her blogs in her two blog channel, that is bharatnatyamkodavar.blogspot.in and also manasisudhir.blogspot.in. With this, I would love to welcome Srimati Manasi Sudhir ma'am to share her journey and inspire us with her words. Ma'am, please.
Welcome here once again, madam.
Namaste. Am I visible?
Yes, madam, you are visible. You are visible.
Okay. Yes. Yeah, I am very, very happy to be part of this online celebration of Indian Talent Library Star Award 2020. And happy Republic Day to all. It's my special Republic Day celebration with you all, and it's something special for me. I congratulate all the winners that is yet to be announced, I think. It's really not easy to, engage, explore, and encourage hidden talents, no matter how much we search for. There are so many talented people who shy away from the limelight always. These kind of people always remind me of, a group of Shiva Bhaktas who are called Gupta Bhaktas. These Gupta Bhaktas, they do not even like to present themselves as Shiva devotees to the outside world. And there is another small problem that, even I face in these days. It is the fear of negative comments. That too, in this era of social media, trolling and negativity spreads very easily. I had an opportunity to sing a very famous poet, K.S. Narasimha Swami's Hakki Hadu. that I have already sung and presented it in my YouTube channel. I love that song because it says, in that song, a bird sings continuously without bothering about people's negative comments. Just like that, I suggest all the participants of this Star Award 2020 to work hard with the proper guidance of a guru. You will definitely get good opportunities and make full use of the opportunities with creativity. Lockdown, despite of all its problems, has opened new doors for many, and including me. My new kind of songs has given me popularity through social media, and today I'm very privileged and honored. And thank you, organizers, for making me today's chief guest, which is definitely an unforgettable moment in my life. It is definitely, giving me more confidence and reminds me of my much more responsibility. Thank you once again. Thank you very much for this beautiful opportunity. Thank you, Indian Talent Library. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, madam.
I just want to, make people know, those who don't read many books, they must know the, beauty of the poetry. So I started to, with some expression, I started reciting the poems. So today I have selected a beautiful poem written by the Ra Bendre. The name of the poem is Kanasinolagondu Kanasu. Even though for the poet, in this poem, a woman has come on the doorway and a common man asks her who is she, and the conversation begins. For the poet, she is none other than Karnataka Mate, but as today is Republic Day, and for me, she is none other than Bharat Mata. So a beautiful conversation between Bharat Mate and a common man. Yes. ಯಾರು ನಿಂದವರಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯೇ, ಯಾರು ನಿಂದವರಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯೇ, ಯಾರು ನಿಂದವರಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯೇ ಎಂದೆ, ಯಾರು ನಿಂದವರಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯೇ ಎಂದೆ, ಯಾರು ಕೇಳುವರೆನಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ತಂದೆ, ಯಾರು ಕೇಳುವರೆನಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ತಂದೆ, ಯಾರು ನಿಂದವರಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯೇ. ಬೇಸರದ ದನಿಯೇಕೆ ಹೆಸರ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಸರದ ದನಿಯೇಕೆ ಹೆಸರ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಸರಾಗಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ ಹೆಸರಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಸರಾಗಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ ಹೆಸರಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ನಿಂದವರಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯೇ, ಯಾರು ನಿಂದವರಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯೇ. ನೀನ್ಯಾರ ಮನೆಯವಳು ಮುತ್ತೈದೆ ಹೇಳು, ನೀನ್ಯಾರ ಮನೆಯವಳು ಮುತ್ತೈದೆ ಹೇಳು, ನಾನ್ಯಾರ ಮನೆಯವಳು, ನಾನ್ಯಾರ ಮನೆಯವಳು ಬಯಲನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳು, ನಾನ್ಯಾರ ಮನೆಯವಳು ಬಯಲನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳು, ಯಾರು ನಿಂದವರಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯೇ. ಇರುವರೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಂಬವರು, ಇರುವರೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಂಬವರು, ಇರುವರೆಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾರು ನಂಬುವರು, ಇರುವರೆಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾರು ನಂಬುವರು, ಯಾರು ನಿಂದವರಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯೇ. ಮನೆಯಿಲ್ಲವೇ ಇರಲು ಪರದೇಶಿಯೇನು, ಮನೆಯಿಲ್ಲವೇ ಇರಲು ಪರದೇಶಿಯೇನು, ಏನು ಮನೆಯೇ ಮುನಿದೆದ್ದಿರಲು ಯಾ ದೇಶವೇನು ಮನೆಯೇ ಮುನಿದೆದ್ದಿರಲು ಯಾ ದೇಶವೇನು ಯಾರು ನಿಂದವರಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯೇ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ನಾಡದೇವಿಯೇ ನೀನು ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ನಾಡದೇವಿಯೇ ನೀನು ಭಾವುಕರ ಕಂಗಳಿಗೆ ದೇವಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಭಾವುಕರ ಕಂಗಳಿಗೆ ದೇವಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಯಾರು ನಿಂದವರಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯೇ ಯಾರು ನಿಂದವರಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯೇ ಬೇಡ ಬಂದಿಹೆಯೇನು ಏನಾದರೊಂದು ಬೇಡ ಬಂದಿಹೆಯೇನು ಏನಾದರೊಂದು ಬೇಡಿದರೆ ಬೇಡಿದುದ ಕೊಡುವೆಯಾ ಇಂದು ಬೇಡಿದರೆ ಬೇಡಿದುದ ಕೊಡುವೆಯಾ ಇಂದು ಯಾರು ಯಾರು ಬಂದವರಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯೇ ಹಿಂಜರಿವ ಅಂಜಿಕೆಯು ಹಿಡಿದಿಹುದು ಕೈಯ ಹಿಂಜರಿವ ಅಂಜಿಕೆಯು ಹಿಡಿದಿಹುದು ಕೈಯ ಮುಂಜರಿವ ಹುರುಪಿನೊಡ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಮುಂಜರಿವ ಹುರುಪಿನೊಡ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಚಂಡಿ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದುದೇನು ಚಂಡಿ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದುದೇನು ಚಂಡಿ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದುದೇನು ಗಂಡು ಸಾದರೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಬಲಿ ಕೊಡುವೆಯೇನು ಗಂಡು ಸಾದರೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಬಲಿ ಕೊಡುವೆಯೇನು ಗಂಡು ಸಾದರೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಬಲಿ ಕೊಡುವೆಯೇನು ಯಾರು ನಿಂದವರಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯಿ ತನುವು ನಡುಗಿತು ಮನವು ನಡುಗಿತು ತನುವು ನವಿರಿಗೊಳಗಾಯ್ತು ನೆನವು ನುಗ್ಗಿತು ನೆನವು ನುಗ್ಗಿತು ಹೊರಗೆ ಕಂಡೆ ಬೆಳಗಾಯ್ತು 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 ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು